Welcome to today's news. Steel Industrials Kerala Limited has invited application for the post of Assistant Manager Electrical. Eligible candidates can apply online through the official website https kpesrb.kerala.gov.in. Scale of pay 18,740 to 33,680. Qualification B.Tech or BE in Electrical Engineering or Diploma in Electrical Engineering. Age limit age between 30 and 40 years as on the date of notification. The registration process begins on October 29, 2024. The last date to apply is November 30, 2024. Get more details from official website of Steel Industrials Kerala Limited. For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https studyforsure.com. Thank you.